Javinators, welcome to the second Javinator tutorial. In our last tutorial, we learned how to enter an Eclipse, and in this video, I am going to tell you that how to write a simple program. So let's start with the very first program, that is to write a simple message on the console screen. So here question arises, what is console screen? So guys, console screen is something where we get the output of the program, and this is the most satisfying thing ever when we get something printed on our console screen, except error. So in this program, here I have created a class named practice, and you guys must be thinking, why class? So guys, let me tell you, Java is a purely object oriented language and it is mandatory to create at least one class in the program. Now we will create the main method inside this class, that is from where the execution of the program starts. Inside the curly braces of the class, write public space static space void space main string argus in parentheses. Now all these public static void main means something, and I will define all these. So come to the first keyword, that is public, which is an access modifier, and there are many more other access modifiers like private, protected, default. We will discuss about those later. The significance of making the main method as public is that it can be accessed from outside of the class, as the execution of the program is done by the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, which is outside the class, so main method should be public. Come to the second keyword, that is static. So if we make a method static, then we don't need to instantiate the class to access that method, which means we don't need to create any object of the class named practice to access the main method. Come to the third one, void. Void here simply means empty or nothing. Void here is representing the return type of the function, which means the main method will not return any value after its execution. The fourth one is main. Main is the name of the function and it is made static, so JVM will execute the main method without having any invoking object. Inside the parenthesis, we have string space argus square brackets, which is used to take input from the user as command line argument. I'll tell about this later in the further tutorials. Now we have this main method, and to get the output on the screen, write system.out.println parenthesis semicolon inside the main method. Now the system is a predefined class which has an object named out, and out is an output stream which is directly connected to the console screen, and the println is a predefined function which is defined in the class system. Now whatever you want to print in the output screen, just write it in the parenthesis, but make sure the content you have written to be printed on the console screen should be in double quotes. To execute this simple program, go to the run practice, press OK. So here we have output hello Javinators, which we have mentioned in the print line statement. So in this video we learned about the basic syntax of the program, that is to print message on the screen. Beginners, don't worry, you will get everything. Just stay tuned and queries are most welcome. See you in the next tutorial.